Hello! Today I want to share with you how to create your own mood board for the year so you can be reminded of the energy you want to invite into your year and into your life, into your business in the coming year. And I am Eos Koch. I'm a soulful web designer, an energy mastery coach, and the author of the Soul of Business book. And I really love having my own mood board, my own word of the year, my own vision on my desktop. I save it as my desktop image, and I save it on my screen, on my phone, and also on my iPad. So I really think it really helps me to, during the year, to stay connected with my intentions, with my visions, with the energy directions I want to go to. And I want to explain it to you. The first step is I go to Pinterest. Mostly the first step is that I set the word of the year. You can look at the video that I did last week. And then from there I go to Pinterest and I really drop into the energy of the upcoming year. I drop into the energy on a point of visual, and as a designer, I'm really visual, so it comes easy to me. If it doesn't come as easy to you, just allow the process. Just really go into the image and into the words that really feel resonating with you. Like the things that you feel a pull toward. Like just let your soul really speak, and if you need some inspiration, you can get started on my profile. There are different boards for different energy teams, so you really can go in there and you can also pin images from there and pin them to your boards. I really think what it should make you feel. It should activate you in your energy field. Like for example, if you collect an image of a couple that is really tightly cozy on the sofa, for example, or if you pin and collect an image of someone running free on the beach naked, or if you collect an image of reading in the garden, sitting on the ground, you just really tune into the energy of these different images and the energy you want to invite in. And this can be attention. Like you can really desire the cozy and the small and the cozy introspective things, and at the same time there's expansive freedom things. You don't have to decide. They can really coexist between each other. And it's not as much about, a mood board is not as much about this is my goal and I have this money goal with this kind of number and I have this goal of this car and it's more about like going beyond. If you have a money goal, really tune into that money goal and ask yourself, what will that money goal give me? How will I feel? If I reach this money goal, I will feel free. I will feel spacious. I will feel success. So, and then you go and you look for images that resonate with these feelings. What makes you feel free? For me, it's surely nature and the ocean. So maybe it's someone swimming in the ocean, or maybe it's dolphins, or what is spaciousness? Maybe it's the sky, or maybe it's an image of mountains, or whatever really resonates with you. Allow yourself to resonate on that deeper level. If you have the goal of a car, I think it's beautiful. I don't want to take away that goal, but the mood board is more about going beyond the goal in that way. So what does that car stand for you? Cars can stand a lot of times maybe for freedom, maybe for luxury, maybe for independence, maybe for success. They can stand for a lot of different things. So finding in yourself, for what does it stand for you? Because that's the only thing that is important to know. And then from there, connecting, if it's the car and the car should go on your mood board, that's totally fine. But I think it's also really important to go beyond that one thing that we desire. Enjoy how the process looks like to create it in Canva, and let's go and share my screen. So I already collected images for the word of my year, impact. I just went onto Pinterest and I collected as many images as just spoke to me. So this is a pre-collection of what I like and what feels for me like impact. Impact for me has the strengths of her eyes. It also has a softness. It has a fierceness. It is more than one thing. It's also like I just go for the energy when I collect these images. And obviously these images are really only for yourself. You can share them on social media, and it's not, you can use them only for either yourself or teaching purposes. So this is a teaching purpose where I use them to create my own desktop background. And for this, if you want the credits of my image, you can go to my Pinterest board. You can go to Pinterest and then you go to my board, my Word 2022 Impact, and you can go to the sources of all these images. So you can click through and you can see she is the one who created this image. So you have the original sources of them here. And I would suggest to you to create your mood board on Canva, and therefore you go to canva.com. If you already have, let me go to the home page. Let me open a new tab, canva.com. If you already have a Canva account, you can log in. If not, you can create one for free. And then to start with, you can create your own template. So you can go to custom size and you can create the size of your desktop or your, and there is also a lot of desktop, if you click in here, desktop wallpaper, you can see this is the size of a desktop wallpaper. So you could just choose like an empty, create a blank desktop wallpaper, and then it opens an empty template. From there, you can create grids. And for the grid, you can go to elements and then you click right here, grid. And then you can see all the grids with this kind of images. They are to be plugged in with your own image. So first I saved most of these images. I opened them and I saved them to my computer to a folder. Then I went here, and then from here I just look for some grids that I love. Like for example, this one looks beautiful, so I put it in here. I actually want it just to be half, more or less. And then I put in a second grid and I put this in half, like this, for example. And then we could put in like a round frame. So we have to see if we find the frame. Let's go here to elements. And then we can see here frames. We go to see all, and then we can see here's the round frame. We could put in here a round frame, like I did with my, and then I would put in here like a white circle actually, but we could put in this white circle. We can put it in behind, so we have to position it backward. And now you can see you have this white frame around it, which looks better. So this could be an easy template. I prepared some templates here. So you can see I already plugged in my images. I uploaded the images. You can just upload them here. Uploads, you can create a folder. I created a folder, Impact 2022, with all the images. And let's just go here again, Impact 2022, and you can see here all the images. I will put in this one, just beautiful round, in here, make it a little bigger, double clicking and just grabbing it and making it bigger from size. And then we go, this one is beautiful. I just pull them in. I don't like this one here, so you can just delete it again. Which one do I like? This one. Some roses. And this is just playing a little bit around and just putting in the images and feeling into where they are a good fit. Just connecting maybe again to your word. Like for me it's impact. Which words do feel like impact? Which constellations do feel like impact? It feels too strong. Maybe better this one. Maybe the horses go down here. Yes, I love this one. This is a beautiful quote. This color, a little bit of softness. I just look at the images here and I just pull them in the way I feel they fit well. Here we have the circle in front, so let's go for something softer. Maybe even putting the quote here. Here are two others we want to fill. This one could be a good fit. And the softer one. Maybe this one. Oops. If this happens, you can just click on and delete it. I'm not yet happy with how this looks like. It looks too messy. Maybe this one. No. Maybe sometimes you just have to play a little bit until it fits, and also try out different versions. Just allow yourself to play and plug them in. I also don't know if she looks too soft. If I connect to impact, I maybe first going for something a little stronger, but at the same time I think I like how it looks. I'm going for impact and also softness, so it's both. Oh, this I like. So this feels quite well to me. I would create a copy of this and then I would just create a second version. Normally I love to have like more than one version, so I can just compare a little bit and see which one is the version I truly resonate with most. So I just try out lots and lots of different versions before I commit to the one version I feel like this looks nice too. So I will share this as a template, so you can have this desktop as a template with empty things. I will share it down in the comments, and if you have any questions, reach out. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial of how to create your mood board, and I think it's quite easy, just a few steps, and it can make such a difference if we see it and we get reminded every time we take our phone and every time we turn on our computer. It just adds an extra layer of connection, and it has a certain vibration that we vibrate and we get reminded of. So if you have any questions, let me know. I would love to see your mood boards, so please share them with me. For example, tag me on Instagram, share it on your stories and tag me there, send it to my email. I'm really happy to see that, and if you have any questions, I'm always happy to be here for you and support you, and wishing you a beautiful day and lots of fun creating your mood board. Bye!